Hi. In this video, we will compare Mangools and Surfer SEO. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, Surfer SEO is on-page SEO optimization and competitor analysis. If you prioritize in-depth competitor analysis, on-page SEO optimization, and data-driven content planning for higher rankings, then Surfer SEO is best. On Surfer SEO, you can generate briefs with catchy headlines in seconds. Write and optimize content in any language. Ensure the authenticity of your article and avoid potential penalties. Surfer SEO also allows you to integrate with Google Docs, WordPress, Jasper, and more. Surfer SEO does not just generate articles, it also generates traffic. Surfer SEO gives you a 7-day free trial with each plan and starts at $89 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and Surfer SEO for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.